everyone! Welcome to Miss May Bow Studio. If you like this video, subscribe for more hair accessory tutorials and ideas. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make your own Christmas tree hair bow using vegan leather. For this project, you will need a silicone non-stick mat, vegan leather tree cutouts, a hot glue gun, a hair clip, and a floral embellishment, as well as a liquid glue pen. I can adhere my bow using my hot glue gun. For this type of material, it's best to use Gorilla Glue. For best results, heat to 200 degrees Celsius. Prep your material by flipping it over and give it a quick dab of glue. Now you can place the first tree layer overlapped in position for adhering and apply pressure. I'll check to make sure each piece aligns and is overlapped in the right place for each tree layer, and stick all the pieces together. As it still sits upside down, glue down any remainder pieces as required for the bow design. In this case, add the tree stump as well. Flip over your tree and adhere your floral embellishment. You can use any color that matches your bow or something shiny if you prefer. Flip your tree over and adhere your hair clip to the back of your bow. And just like that, this bow is done and ready to go. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more hair accessory tutorials and ideas.